Hi, I'm Thomas. Today we're talking about how to sell your house fast. The average days on market will vary wildly depending on where you're located. But if timing is important to you, you need to have a quick sale, then you should follow these three things. 1, you should appoint an experienced local agent. They'll be able to introduce qualified buyers who are in a position to purchase. They will have the knowledge to price your property correctly based on recent comparable sales and the sales that they've been involved with. An overpriced property will become stagnant on the market very quickly. Number 2, ensuring the presentation of your home is as good as it can be. Firstly, declutter, clean and invest in quality photography so that your buyers are attracted to your property online. And number 3, consider the method of sale. Properties listed for auction generally have a shorter campaign as the auction dates create a sense of urgency for the buyers to act, roughly 4 to 6 weeks. However, a local experienced real estate agent will be able to provide guidance on the most suitable method of sale for your property. For a place to start, talk to a high-performing real estate agent in your area. They can give you tips on market conditions and maximize your property's value.